Happy Friday, everybody. It is the first day of May. Can't believe that we are in May already. Goodness. Let's take a peek at the activities for today. There is a fractions activity and a fractions toothy today in math, so we'll take a peek at those really quick. This is the Write the Fractions activity. I would like you to do two things today. Not only to write the fraction below, but use the record option and record yourself saying each of the fractions that you've made. There are video instructions here, but I will be honest with you and tell you that it is not my voice. So if you do choose to listen to those, it's not me. Again, you'll hit add response. And they've done the first one for you, so you can use the drawing tool over here and go ahead and write your fraction. Just do your best that you can. Doesn't have to be perfectly neat. So this one would be 2 out of 4. And I will go ahead and do it to the rest of those as well. Then you'll click on the record button over here, and you can record yourself saying each of the fractions. When you're finished, you can click the green check mark and it will send your work to me. There is also fractions toothy today. So remember, you're going to click on the picture over here with the little pigs on it. We're going to view it as a Google Doc. And we will click present up here in the corner. Give it a few seconds to finish loading. All right, then we'll click to the next slide. All right, it says, what is the fraction for the shaded part? And then I'm sorry that my screen kind of cuts it off for you. But 2 out of 2, 1 out of 2, or 1 out of 1. So it looks like both parts are shaded, so that would be 2, and there are 2 equal groups. Okay, so I got a tooth. And then I will do the next one. How many parts are shaded? So that would be 3 out of how many total parts? 1, 2, 3, 4 total parts. Okay, so that's how you go ahead and move through this toothy. Okay, when you're finished, again, this doesn't record your answers right or wrong. It's just a fun activity to reinforce what we've been learning this week. And today there is also Reflex Math to do as well. For writing, you have to finish your opinion writing if you didn't finish it yesterday. If you did finish it yesterday, you're a rock star. Way to go. Just take a picture and upload it to the picture. Let me see if I have it in there now. I don't know if it, oh, here it is. You can take a picture and add it right here of your work. You can just click add response and then use that camera tool and post your writing here. So I have everybody's all in one spot. There is one last reflexive pronoun activity. It's a fill in the blank. Let me get back to Seesaw here. Here it is. Okay. You will click add response. You're going to use the move tool to move the correct reflexive pronoun into the sentence, okay? The toy sat on the shelf by, and then you will use myself, herself, itself, themselves, himself, ourselves, or yourself. So I will choose itself, and you just have to move the word and match it to the line. There is only one word per sentence, so you will use all of them one time. When you're done, click the green check mark over here, and that will send it to me. And then lastly, if you could read a story in Raz Kids today and take a quiz over one of the stories that you read. And that's it for today, boys and girls. I hope you have a fantastic Friday. And don't forget to have fun today, because because it's Fun Friday. Enjoy your day.